With me is the AIADMK candidate for Trichy East, Mr. Rajashekaran. Sir, Vijay contesting, you are contesting against Vijay. Who's going to win?
Sir, definitely. The National Democratic Party will definitely win, sir. There's no doubt in it.
Your throat is gone.
Yes. Go on speaking on campaigning. It is gone.
But who's going to win?
Definitely, it's our own constituency. I belong to this own land. I am the citizen of Tiruchirappalli. I belong to this land. I born here in the banks of River Kaveri. I know the entire, every nook and corner, every streets of this constituency. I know the entire people. I know what the people is required. So definitely, it's definitely we win. There's no doubt in it.
Acha, okay, but you're not worried that Vijay is contesting so much star power? They say that they are so much. What is your message to him?
Sir, this is for the member of Legislative Assembly, where the people will elect only the member who work for him.
Okay.
Here, I will serve the people directly. Almost 50% of the people know my own personal mobile number. They can meet me at any time. Even the past MLA, the people is not able to meet the past MLA because he resides at Chennai. Even sometimes these people can able to meet that MLA, but another person no.
So you're saying if you come to power, people know your number.
Yeah, definitely.
TVK, you don't know how you're going to call Vijay. What is your message to him?
No one can able to meet him, or no one can able to contact him. So people will select the person who lives along with them.
What about DMK's MLA?
Yeah, for the past 5 years, DMK MLA did nothing to this constituency. You have seen the roads and all. There is no infrastructural facilities here. So there is an acute water problem. We are living in the banks of Kaveri. Even in the banks of Kaveri, there is acute water problem here. He doesn't take any step to give proper water. In some area, drainage water also mixed with drinking water.
So you're saying anti-incumbency against the DMK, TVK candidate not reachable, only I am reachable.
Yeah, definitely, there's no doubt in it. There's a win to ADMK.
ADMK, NDA alliance will win.
ADMK and NDA alliance definitely will win here. There's no doubt in it, sure.
What would you like to tell Vijay if you meet him? Are you a Vijay fan?
Sir, Joseph Vijay is one of the competitors, that's all. There is no doubt in it.
Are you a fan? Do you watch his films?
I used to watch them.
But you're an MGR fan.
Definitely we are the MGR fan and Rajini fan.
Is there a song from MGR or Jayalalitha that you want to tell Vijay in defiance of this election?
Naalai Namade, the Naalum Namade.
Naalai Namade, Naalum Namade, which means tomorrow is ours, the country is also ours.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
It is our leader, Edappa Diyar, will rule Tamil Nadu in 30 days. You can able to see that the result of 4th May will definitely prove this country that we are the winning party.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Rajashekaran. All the best for your campaign.